So just rip that 2x6 and 2x4 up, and it is nasty. It's bad, nasty stuff up here. So need a mask and a big trash bag. All right, week 2, Tuesday. We got to get these cabinets out so we can get the floor up, so we can get the HVAC and plumbing done, and I'll show you how to take a cabinet down. Or Aunt Denise will take a cabinet down. I'll do the video. All right, Tuesday, week 2, and we got to rip this kitchen out so that we can get this floor up to put all new plywood down since it was rotted. So we just vacuumed up the mouse turds up above, and Aunt Denise is going to show you how to take a cabinet down. So you can look for a couple screws in here, and this one looks like there's one at the bottom, one at the top.
The one at the bottom is very rusted. One at the top.
And we're not demoing these because these cabinets are going to go to somebody else. All right, and this one's held on by something else now.
Drive on. That's a bubble. Along with this casing here.
Okay.
Where to is. Nope. It's not screwed in that one.
Yeah, just need to pull it off of the washer. Can we close the door first? Or no?
Oh, we're running out of here.
All right, just pull it. Girl power. It's coming out, yeah. One screw. Yeah, one screw. That's unbelievable.
Oh, wait. There is one.
Two screws. Yeah, they blend in.
Oh, yep.
That don't sound good. Uh-oh.
Okay.
Okay. screws. Alright, we're gonna set it down so I can look at the door. So had a spare piece of 2x4 we took down. This is what I'm going to use to button up against that long piece I just showed you. It's got nails on the end, so I'm going to flush it down, get these nails out, and cut 26-inch piece and start framing it up. Had to go back and actually measure it because it has to go in between the joists. And cut it again, but ready. Mark it on the outside. Make sure it's flush here. You can't use a hammer to put a drill or a screw in, can you? Nail. Oh my. So you just get ready for a new cabinets or?
13. Total, perfect. Okay, and then there's Derek's phone number.
Okay.
This is Derek's Gmail.
Okay.
And you have my number.
Okay.
VP, because it used to be a vice president.
Okay.
So that's why. And then if you want to put my name on there too, just so that it refreshes you where you're at. Yeah, so
Yeah,
We're
what's your
putting
name?
it, Denise.
Denise?
Don't share personal information. I'm recording here.
Be nice. Okay, cool.
Anyways, so yeah, we're gonna put in a new cabinet. The floor will come out once we get these base cabinets out.
Yeah.
We did find a little bit of rotting, so
Yeah.
we'll take,
I think that's,
and replace
done.
this whole floor, which actually the crawl space underneath is hard to get to. So about 15 minutes to get in, so with the plumber and, furnace.
Okay, so it's up and looks good. Only issue is, well, besides this nasty insulation to replace, is there are some nails as you go along here that I need to get off so that the new drywall can butt up right next to it.
I have no idea what insulation is. Like you did.
Almost there. Sounds like it's coming up.
Oh, it is. It's cut right through there.
They put a,
That's what it is.
a slice.
Yeah, he sliced the board and put it in.
Still don't see how it fit in, you know. You got the backer on it.
This board is a replacement board. It was so rotted, he had to replace this. So he made this board to sit in here, and then he attached it with this. That's all this is.
More fun.
So, that being said,